Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Capricorn, welcome back. On Monday, the planetary configuration is highlighting that in order to have healthy communication between you and your partner, it is necessary that you address and express the things that you generally tend to hide or keep to yourself. It is not possible to have transparency, honesty, and therefore trust in an intimate partner if you are not willing to share all parts of yourself. True intimacy is built on feeling that we can share our deepest and darkest secret with one another without fear of judgment or disconnection. Today is a great day to practice sharing more of what makes you uncomfortable with your lover. You may feel some pressure to have it all figured out. But remember that nobody ever has it all figured out. Remember the adage, to err is human, to forgive it's divine. That doesn't mean just forgiving others. You must learn to appreciate your own ability to forgive yourself. Judgment will prevent you from listening to your own intuition. Your basic needs are to eat well, to get plenty of rest, and to exercise. Try with all three today. On Tuesday, the moon is in your third house. Do you have an easy time communicating your thoughts and feelings in your romantic partnerships? Are you able to be as open and transparent as you could be in the way you express yourself? These are all necessary and relevant questions to ask yourself. One of the most important and fundamental pillars of a healthy and successful relationship is honest, direct, clear, and open communication. So often, two people could be very much in love and compatible. However, things don't work out between them because they are simply not on the same page, constantly misunderstanding one another due to a lack of openness. This is a good time for you to practice bringing more of these elements into your relationship. Make a promise with your partner where you both make a commitment to making sure that you are as transparent with one another as Wednesday may be a good time to change things up where you live, especially if you want to have more romantic privacy to yourself. The nurturing moon and sensual Venus come together in your fourth house of foundations, shining a light on domestic matters. You may have certain anxieties about making a big shift in your love life, but your confidence will grow incrementally as time passes and as you get used to the new vision you have for affairs of the heart. The thought of reinventing yourself is exciting, especially if it's been a while since you felt motivated to make big changes in your romantic world. Your ideals will feel especially sensitive to you today. You may sympathize with others more than you normally do, but be careful that you don't get caught up in the role of champion for others. That is a noble sentiment, but you need to stay focused on yourself right now, and this will take some committed effort. Go for a run with a friend and discuss issues that concern you. The increased oxygen intake will settle your mind. On Thursday, there's a lot on your plate today, but you have the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time, and this will help you to get work done faster. You'd be so much rather concentrate on current matters of the heart, so you will have to be quite productive in the early hours of the day if there's any chance of engaging in some romantic fun later on. If you're in the position to do something active with a sweetheart tonight, make it happen even if you have to do virtual version over a video chat. There are days when even you don't want adventure, and with today's planetary alignment, this is probably one of them. Your sense of humor is likely to be downright dormant. Perhaps your expansive nature has gone inward and you feel the need to reflect on the times gone by and the times on the road ahead. There is much to be gained by going inward. try yoga to help support the process. On Friday, you are being asked to realize the importance of spending downtime with your partner. Allowing yourself to just be with one another in the empty stillness enables you to experience a level of closeness and intimacy that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. In this day and age, people are so concerned and caught up in always doing something with their partners out of fear of boredom. This results in you ending up missing out on the beauty of making it more about who you're with and the quality of time you spend with them rather than where you are or what you're doing. Today would be a great time to allow yourself to spend some quality time with your partner at home and maybe just cuddle and cook with them something special. On Saturday, one of the wonderful things about you is that you warm up slowly. You can really be sure about what you are doing because you don't adopt things immediately. Revel in your easy pace and continue to focus on yourself, one day at a time. The moon today is in your 8th house, however, it is also squaring Mars in your 5th house of romance. This configuration is emphasizing the importance of finding the balance between the fun, light-hearted, sexy parts of your intimate partnerships and the heavier, deeper, and darker aspects of it. You cannot have a healthy and successful relationship without having either of these two components to be a part of it. Today is a great day for you to practice finding the sweet spot between those dynamics between you and your lover. Learn how to enjoy yourself and just have a good time while also making sure that you are also sharing the less bouncy parts of yourself with one another. On Sunday, give yourself plenty of room. Your need for independence is high, as is your need to concentrate on yourself. You may worry about what others think of your behavior, but the truth is they have their own behavior to worry about. Take action for your health today. This is how you will get your space, your concentration, and feel like you are making progress. Remember, there is no step too small. Choose to have choice in what you eat. Organic is worth it. The moon is in your 2nd house today. However, it is also squaring Mars in your 11th house. This is emphasizing the importance of sharing common values on a fundamental level with your partner in order to have a sense of true closeness and friendship with one another. It is also very natural that you will always have certain values, even if small ones, that you disagree on with another person. In order to have a safe space for differences to coexist between you and your lover, it is necessary to have some level of friendship be a foundation of your relationship.
Money and career.
Monday will find you in a good position. You will be successful in your activities and progress will also be very fine. This is the ideal day for fulfilling your desires. Venus is moving in a sector for short travels, communication, and networking. There will be a lot of projects and that can be tiring as well. So you need to do a lot of multitasking. Those who work in media, communication, and electronics will have more work. Those who work as teachers and counselors also will have new projects. This is a busy time and you have to have a specific plan for your work. Mars will start triggering your professional relationships too. This will bring a lot of opportunities to be visible in the social domain. You will try to expand your business too. However, there are chances for arguments as well. On Tuesday, students should try to widen the horizons of their knowledge by engaging themselves in practical fieldwork. This week is best suited for practical experience of various aspects of your studies. it would also be a good idea to join some creative courses during this period. Engineering students will need to work really hard to achieve desired results. To get even better results in examinations, we recommend that students study in a group. This will undoubtedly benefit them the most. Students intending to migrate abroad can commence formalities for the same during this week. We recommend students to meditate during times of stress. Wednesday is a period about good news in your employment picture. If you've been languishing in a job you hate or wishing you could find something that pays more, you will be able to attract more creative job offerings now and even leave on good terms with great references. Aspects indicate a pay bump that could help clear up the bills. On Thursday, you have a period of opportunity but also instability regarding employment and health. It's important to be ready to take action because a new position may come unexpectedly. Don't quit your job before you're sure the new one will work out. With the universe affecting your communication, it's imperative to get everything in writing before gambling with your funds. On Friday, teachers, counselors, and HR people will be looking for new opportunities. There will be some projects from the media and publishing sector as well. Work-related travel can also come up. Mars is moving through the sector for team ventures and collective projects. This is a very good time for joining new teams. Projects from the scientific and technical communication sector can also come up. You will try to start a long-term project. Projects from international organization are also seen. However, there are chances for arguments with your teammates. You should avoid that. This is a good time to work for children and youth groups as well. You should be very keen on your own ventures. Martian influence can make you very aggressive, so be careful while investing in risky ventures. On Saturday, Mars is moving through the sector for career and bosses during this week. This is an ideal place for Mars and that will make you very ambitious. However, Mars indicates struggles as well. There will be certain projects which can be very challenging. You will get enough opportunities to promote your career. New opportunities to start a new project or a new team can also come up. Opportunities from the creative sector can also come up and that will be short-term projects. This is a good time to keep a good relationship with your colleagues. New colleagues and new opportunities can also come up. On Sunday, Mars is moving through the sector for foreign collaborations. This is a very good opportunity for working for foreign companies. Projects from the media and mass communication related sectors can also come up. There will be some issues for bloggers. Spiritualists and mentors will also have some opportunities. Venus is influencing your team settings and creativity, so you can assume that you will be having some team discussions. There will be a lot of opportunities to join a new team as well.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.